There's no one 186 visa, there are actually three. And if you end up applying under the wrong one, you're not just wasting months, you could actually be, risking the possibility of getting knocked back against a technicality that has nothing to do with whether or not you're actually qualified for the stream. Now, the first one is direct entry. This is for people who have not held an eligible visa with their nominating employer before. So if this is your first time being sponsored by this particular business, you're probably here. You'll also need at least 3 years of relevant work experience plus a positive skills assessment which matches your occupation. Stream 2 is your temporary residence transition, often known as the TRT. Now, this is for people who are already on a 457 or 482 and have worked with their current employer for at least 2 years. This is generally the most flexible stream, and it also does not require a positive skills assessment. The third one is your labor agreement. Now, this is a little bit less common, but it applies if your employer has an agreement that is in place with the Australian government. This generally applies if your employer is in an industry which recognizes skill shortages within that space. This is actually how you might get sponsored if this is where you're working. So, same visa name, three completely different set of requirements, evidence, and timelines. Which one you fall into isn't necessarily something you can guess. It's actually the first thing you have to get done before you even think about starting your application. So comment down 1, 2, or 3 and tell me which stream you're considering so I can tell you exactly what people in your situation would often get wrong.